Nectarine, here's the nectarine tree. We harvested a bountiful crop of nectarines for the first time. Every other year the squirrels have got them, but this year there were enough for us to share. Unfortunately, the plum tree is no longer with us. It was getting leaf curl really bad. I was spraying it with fungicides and all kinds of different organic methods, and it just was not working, and it was spreading to the nectarine tree. Couldn't figure out why the nectarine tree kept getting curl. I took out the plum tree and it was fine, so it was the plum tree. Blueberries, we harvested a couple blueberries off of these bushes, and then the north blue, we had a lot of blueberries. Mandarin tree's huge, reaching for the sky, so is the avocado tree. And the hostas, as you can see, they're kind of tattered from the summer heat. The windmill palm's grown a lot. The windmill palm's like 4 or 5 feet tall now. There's the waterfall, the new waterfall, and the banana plant. I know this one kind of looks sad. It was, I'd say, about 10, 15 feet tall up there. And this one is finally catching up. And here's this guy. This guy was just a little stick here, if you remember. And if you remember, the lemons were blossoming like crazy. And this is that big limb I showed you with all those blossoms. It formed 7 or 8 lemons. I thinned them down to 5 because I was noticing a trend. There were lots of them with just 5, so I thought, and they're all over the place. And so the lemon tree, we're entering a very productive period in the garden where things are starting to produce for us, and this lemon tree has paid for itself already. The next tree, the tree that also paid for itself, was the nectarine tree. It paid for itself this year, and we're looking forward to having the fig tree pay for itself, because the fig tree's been given really well. The grapevine paid for itself, so things are just doing really, really great. The queen palm is huge. I mean, that thing's getting a monster. Take a look at the fall planters. They got the chrysanthemums here and the areca palm. I don't know quite how hardy that is, but it's been here for a year now, so it's went through one winter. The foxtail palm, it's been here for a year too, so it's been through one winter. Foxtail palm has not grown any leaves for me since it's been here, but it's not showing any signs of dying. This is the willow tree and all the hostas. That's one of the banana pups we harvested off. This is another papaya plant we're going to be planting in the ground. Here's the other area with pops. We've got the mums, chrysanthemums here, and we've got the crepe myrtles. They're still blooming. I think this is called purple something. This is a rose my neighbor gave me. There's the Japanese maple. So yeah, there's the banana plant. It's huge. It's almost taken over the whole corner of the yard. But here's what we look like, nice and grown.